Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to fix TikTok mobile gaming sound problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how to fix sound issues when live streaming mobile games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you want to do is to open your Play Store, your App Store. This works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter the one that you are using. I know a lot of people have been complaining about this, so I'm doing this video, and this video works 100%, so just pay attention and follow all the steps in this video. Now, once you open your apps to your Play Store, search for TikTok and then update your TikTok application to the latest version. So you need to make sure you are using the latest version of your TikTok application. Now, once you have updated your TikTok, all you want to do is to just go ahead and then open your TikTok application. So let me do that. Now, once you open your TikTok application, just click on the plus sign in the middle over here. But first of all, you need to make sure you have more than 1k or 10k followers to get this option. So you can see I have more than 50k followers over here, so take note of that. Now, once you are done with this, just click on the plus sign in the middle over here and then scroll to where you can see live. Now, once you click on live over here, you can see device camera, you can see mobile gaming, and also live studio. Now, in our case, we have to go for mobile gaming because we are not going live like a video live, but this time around we want to activate, or we want to use the mobile gaming option over here. So all you want to do is to just click on the go live option over here. But before you click on go live, just click on settings, and once you click on settings over here, you can choose to set your moderator over here. You can you can see live gift over here. So the most important thing is you can see video quality. Just click on video quality. This option is very very important, so just take note of this option over here. So make sure you choose the first option. So you can see the video quality over here, so select the first option over here so that you can your video or your mobile gaming video will be very clear to your viewers. So once you are done with this option, you need to make sure you turn on the volume over here. So just scroll down and you can see, make sure this microphone option is on so that they can hear your voice. Now, once you are done with this, you are not finished. You are not done yet. So you can also see live studio. This time around we are talking about mobile gaming, so in my next video I will do that of the live studio over here. This time around you need to download a software on a PC to do that. So once you are done with that, you need to make sure you set your sound on the application or the game you want to play. So once you are done with all the settings over here, you click on go live and then select the game you want to play, and then your game will be live streamed to your audience. But let me show you the settings you need to do on the application or the video or the game app you are using, or the game that you are using. So let's say this is the game I want to play over here. Once you have selected the game, so let's say this is the game I want to play, click on settings over here, and once you click on settings, you can see music and also you can see the audio over here. Please, if your sound is not working, just check the sound on the application itself. So once you are done with the settings on the TikTok application over here, you have to also do the settings on your application. So for example, let's say this is the game I want to play. Just click on settings and make sure the sound over here is working. Make sure you have turned on the sound over here, so you can see. So if your sound is not playing, also you need to check the sounds over here, so you can see the sound over here, the microphone over here. So if you want your voice to go out, you can see the microphone sign over here. So you have to make sure you activate all these options. And if you are done with this, also make sure your phone is not on do not disturb mode or something. Like, you have to open settings over here. This option also works. So once you open settings over here, you can see notifications. Click on notifications and it's gonna take you to the applications over here. So just select the application or the game you are playing. So for instance, let me say, let's say this is the game I want to play. Just click on the game, and once you click on this game, you can see sound. You need to make sure this sound is not off. You need to make sure this sound is on. If you're using Android, once you click on apps management or application settings, you can select the particular app and you go to notifications and also select mic or microphone over there, and you can see allow microphone or allow the app to access your microphone. You can just do that settings if you're using Android. This is very, very simple. So just do all these settings over here and allow all the permissions over here, and by doing this, just go back and then click on your go live over here. And once you click on go live, but don't forget you have to select your game over here so you can see your topic. So select the game you want to play. So if you want to play eFootball, select the game, select the game over here. And if your game is not here, you need not to worry. Just scroll to the last end and you can see other game. Select other game and play any game of your choice. Live stream your games to your audience on TikTok. This is very, very simple. You can see FIFA, mobile gaming, all your games are here. So just select your game and you can see portrait over here. Some of the games are in a landscape mode and others too are in a portrait mode. So you need to make sure you set it over here so you can see portrait and you can see landscape over here. So this is very, very simple. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video